Agentic AI is changing how work gets done. It can investigate alerts, open tickets, write code, query data, call tools, and trigger workflows across our cloud and SaaS stack. Useful? Very. Risk-free? Not remotely. The moment an agent can take action, it stops being just a chatbot. It becomes an identity, a non-human actor with permissions and the ability to move fast across systems. Prompt injection and excessive agency are core LLM risks, and these integrations can expose arbitrary data access and code execution paths. And that's where things go sideways. An agent doesn't have just one permission. It sits inside an invisible trust chain. Individually, each access grant may look reasonable. Together, they can behave like an autonomous superuser. Standards like Google's agent-to-agent protocol and model context protocol are helping agents collaborate more easily, and that's good for productivity. But it also means delegation gets easier, tool use gets broader, and bad access design scales. Securing agentic AI is not just a model problem, it's an identity problem. Which agent has access to what? Which tools can it call? What data can it reach? How long does that access last? And who approved it? That's where Trustle comes in. Trustle discovers human and non-human identities across multi-cloud and SaaS. Organizations can actually see agents, service principals, and entitlements all in one place. Because if you can't see the agent, you certainly can't govern it. Trustle helps find excessive access, orphaned agents accounts, and standing agent privileges that have no business being permanent. It turns invisible trust chains into something visible, reviewable, and fixable with constant evidence for standards compliance. Instead of giving agents broad, always-on access just to keep workflows moving, Trustle helps enforce least privilege and just-in-time access. Powerful permissions are only granted when needed, approved by policy, and revoked automatically when the task is done. And when an AI tool is abandoned, deprecated, replaced, or simply forgotten, Trustle helps ensure its account doesn't linger in the background with live privileges and nobody watching. Because ghost employees are bad enough in payroll. In cloud identity, they're worse. Agentic AI can move the business forward, but only if identity governance keeps pace. With Trustle, you can discover agent accounts, reduce standing privilege, enforce just-in-time access, review risky entitlements, and build an audit trail that proves your AI workflows are secure by design. Trustle. Because when agents start acting like employees, it's time to govern them like employees.